To cite a scholarly journal article from a print source, we will begin with the author information. We start by providing the author's last name, followed by a comma. We then give the author's first initial and end this section with a period. If the article has two authors, its citation will look like this. After the initial author, we will include a comma, an ampersand, and then the second author's name. Please note that this name is also given as last name, first initial. If the text has three or more authors, we will repeat this pattern. If an article you are citing has more than 19 authors, you provide the first 19 authors, then give an ellipsis, 3 periods, and then list the last author's name. It is important to note that for more than 19 authors, you do not include an ampersand before the last author's name. Once we have provided all the author information, we need to provide the year of publication. The year of publication should be in parentheses and will be followed by a period. The next piece of information to include is the article title. Within the title of an article, there are only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the article, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. These are the only letters that are capitalized. Everything else is lowercase for the article title. We then conclude the article title section with a period. The next piece of information is the journal title. The journal title must be italicized. Also, as opposed to the article title, the journal title is capitalized normally. Capitalize all nouns, pronouns, adjective, adverbs, and verbs. Leave other words, such as conjunctions and prepositions, uncapitalized. We will then end the journal title section with a comma. The next section of the entry will be the journal's volume and issue numbers. The volume number is a large group of journals, usually that has been printed over the course of a year. The issue number is the specific publication within a volume. Therefore, we will provide the volume number first, which will be in italics. We will then provide the issue number in parentheses. This will not be in italics. We will then end the volume and journal number section with a comma. This brings us to the article's page numbers. We will provide the all-inclusive page numbers for where the article can be found. This will then be followed by a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from print scholarly articles.